Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable game launcher in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on advanced features. Now here in advanced features, scroll down and here you will see the game launcher button. So if you want to disable game launcher, then turn off this button, and if you want to enable game launcher, then turn on this button. So that's how you can enable or disable game launcher in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.